Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that's essential for achieving success: time management. We all have the same amount of time in a day, but some people seem to get so much more done than others. So, how do they do it? Well, it all comes down to effective time management. If you're someone who struggles with managing your time or feels like there just aren't enough hours in a day, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and strategies for managing your time more effectively. First things first, prioritize your tasks. Identify the most important tasks you need to complete and focus on those first. This will help ensure that you're making progress towards your goals and not just getting lost in busy work. Next, set deadlines for yourself. When you have a deadline to work towards, you'll be more motivated to get things done. Plus, it can help you stay accountable and avoid procrastination. Another great way to manage your time is to break tasks down into smaller, more manageable chunks. This can help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and make it easier to stay focused on the task at hand. And don't forget to take breaks. It might seem counterintuitive, but taking short breaks throughout the day can actually help boost your productivity and keep you focused. Lastly, use technology to your advantage. There are plenty of apps and tools out there that can help you stay organized, track your time, and manage your tasks more efficiently. So there you have it, guys. Some simple tips and strategies for managing your time more effectively. By prioritizing tasks, setting deadlines, breaking tasks down, taking breaks, and using technology, you can get more done in less time and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more productivity tips and strategies.